Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best John Deere 425 is probably one of the most reliable lawn tractors out there, but even the best machines need a little TLC. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of John Deere 425 lawn tractor parts, exploring everything from the engine and transmission to the deck and steering components. We'll cover what you need to know to keep your tractor running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Number 5. 810 LawnRAZOR Blade Set for John Deere 60-inch Deck. This is a heavy-duty high-lift blade set. It's designed to fit various John Deere models. It ensures a clean and efficient cut for your lawn. The blade set is compatible with OEM part numbers AM100538, M141785, and M87622. It also fits models like 160, 261, and 400 series. This makes it a versatile choice for many users. It's compatible with John Deere 4010 Rider, 400 to 455 series tractors, and F910, F935 series. The blade set is built to last and provide excellent performance. This blade set is a great choice. The blade is 21.2 inches long with a 7/8-inch center hole. It has a thickness of 0.315 inches and a width of 212 inches. These specifications ensure a precise and effective cut. This blade set is designed for optimal performance. It is a reliable solution for maintaining a well-groomed lawn. It will help you achieve a professional-looking finish. What we like. These blades offer a heavy-duty high lift, ensuring a clean and efficient cut every time. The durable construction means it can withstand tough conditions, providing longevity. If you have a large lawn or frequently mow in challenging terrains, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Heavy-duty perfect fit for my John Deere. They are good blades and last a long time. The blades are doing a better cutting than my John Deere blades. I highly recommend these quality blades. Number 4. ECOTRIC John Deere 415,425,445,455 Side Panel Kit. Introducing the ECOTRIC Side Panel Screen Kit, designed specifically for your John Deere tractor. This kit is a perfect replacement, ensuring optimal performance and protection. This kit is compatible with John Deere models 415, 425, 445, and 455. It replaces part numbers AM128982 and AM128983. Make sure it fits your model. Crafted from durable plastic, this kit is built to last. Its green color matches the tractor's exterior, giving it a sleek and attractive look. The side panels effectively protect your engine from debris and external elements. This ensures the longevity and performance of your tractor. The package includes 2 side panels, one for the left side and one for the right side. Please note that installation hardware is not included, so you'll reuse your existing hardware. Professional installation is highly recommended for this kit. Installation instructions are not included, so please keep that in mind when installing it. What we like. This side panel screen kit is crafted from durable plastic, ensuring long-lasting performance. It effectively protects your engine from debris, keeping it running smoothly. If you are looking to maintain your tractor's engine and appearance, consider this kit. What people say. Parts fit perfectly. Great, they fix like a glove. Made the tractor look nearly new again. The screen swapped fine, although one corner was a little tight on both sides. Number 3. ECOTRIC Upper Hood for John Deere Lawn Mower. Are you looking for a replacement hood for your John Deere lawn mower? This ECOTRIC upper hood is designed specifically for models 415, 425, 445, and 455. It's a direct replacement for the original part. This hood is compatible with John Deere lawn mower models 415, 425, 445, and 455. It replaces part numbers AM128986 and AM118699. Make sure this is the right fit for your machine. Made from automotive-grade plastic, it's built to last. The hood is strong, durable, and resistant to damage. Its green color is designed to maintain its appearance over time. This high-quality replacement part will give your vehicle a fresh look. It's designed to meet or exceed original manufacturer specifications, ensuring a perfect fit and function. The package includes one upper hood. The installation uses a combination of screws and buckles for stability. Professional installation is highly recommended to ensure proper fit and function. What we like. Made of automotive-grade plastic, this upper hood is strong and durable, ensuring a long lifespan. The green appearance complements your tractor's look. If you need a reliable replacement for your John Deere, it's a great option. What people say. It fit perfect. Took all of 5 minutes to install, and it fit just like a factory installation. Great fit. Number 2. Kumar Brothers John Deere 425 Up Kit. This is a brand new aftermarket unit. It's designed to be a direct replacement for your equipment. This kit replaces multiple OEM part numbers, including AM128986, AM128983, and AM128982. It's a comprehensive solution for your John Deere 425 Up. The kit includes an upper hood, service decal, side panels, screen grills, and panel retaining clips. Everything you need is included. The side panel decals and hood service decal come uninstalled for your convenience. It's easy to install and get your equipment back in top shape. This aftermarket kit is designed specifically to fit John Deere equipment. You can trust its quality and compatibility. What we like. This kit includes all the necessary components for a full replacement, making it a convenient solution. It replaces multiple OEM parts, ensuring a perfect fit. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution to refresh your tractor's appearance and functionality, this is the one. What people say. I am very happy with this purchase. After only 2 hours of mowing the hood and the sides warped and the stickers peeled. Number 1. AM128388 Throttle Control Knob and Hardware Kit. Introducing the AM128388 Throttle Control Kit. This kit is designed to vastly improve the performance of your tractor's throttle system. This kit is a direct replacement for 415, 425, 445, and 455 lawn and garden tractors. It's designed to fit perfectly and enhance the functionality of your machine. Made from premium ABS plastic, this kit offers lightweight strength and excellent resistance to wear and corrosion. It's built to last, ensuring long-term reliability. The AM128388 kit replaces OEM part numbers AM128388, M113847, M139471, and M139472. This affordable upgrade will significantly improve your tractor's performance. The design includes 45-degree angle processing and a strong shell for extra strength. This ensures the kit can withstand the demands of your tractor. What we like. Made from durable ABS plastic, this throttle control knob kit is built to last. It is designed for a wide range of John Deere tractors. If you're looking to upgrade your tractor's throttle performance, you should consider this kit. What people say. Very easy to install and worked perfectly. Easy to install on my John Deere 455 tractor. Great replacement for our John Deere throttle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.